Josh, Great Duck Customs here. How you guys all doing? We have a very cool unboxing video tonight. New tool alert for the shop. As you guys can see, we have a Yeswelder, and this is their TIG acdc Pro tig200p. I am pretty excited to see what's in this box right now. This has kind of been a long time coming, so I am very excited about this one. I don't exactly know what it all comes with, so this is going to be a little bit of a surprise as it is for me and you. Over the years, I've been a professional fabricator at a lot of different shops. I've done TIG welding with some very expensive Millers and some very expensive Lincolns. And recently I was at a shop that had a DC only Yeswelder, which goes for about $250, $300 retail. And that thing just kicked butt. So a friend of mine, shout out Dom over at Altered Intent. He is building some crazy hot rods. Dom ended up getting one of these same welders, and he has had nothing but good luck with it. So let's see what we have in the box. I am super jazzed. I know I'm going to need to get some consumables. I need to go get a tank of argon for this. So let's see. Let's see what we got. How do we want to do this? Comes with a couple different packages here. I need to set this down. It's a little heavier than I thought it was going to be. TIG accessory package and the TIG machine itself. They rate this at about 14, 15 pounds, something like that, which I am thinking is very accurate. Oh, this is exciting. Like I said, I've run a lot of very expensive TIG welders before, and I've had very good luck with the DC version of the Yeswelder TIG, so I cannot wait to see what we get with the AC version. Unfortunately, this is not going to plug into my 220 outlet, so I can't fire it up for you guys. But yeah, this is kind of a nice little machine. First impressions. Got our on-off switch, got our input for the gas, got our menu settings and button, nice display. Got our foot control switch there, torch setup. I'm assuming that this is for arc welding. This also does stick welding. There's a gas outlet. Okay, cool. It's looking good so far. Let's see what we have in this box. And this is going to kind of tell me what I need to go buy from the welding supply store. Because like I said, I was not sure what all came with the package. I knew that it comes with a pretty good bundle of goodies. This looks like probably a gas line, gas tube assembly, so that's cool. Let's take a look what we got here. So this would be our ground clamp. On the DC welder that I had at the last shop that we were doing with, we did upgrade the ground strap. This looks like it's fairly beefy, actually. This looks like it's at least a 2-gauge ground, so that should be fine for what we're doing. The nice thing about this welder is it not only does stainless steel, but it also does aluminum. And that is kind of what we got it for. Yeah, nice heavy duty spring. That's going to clamp down very well. Cool. This is our stick electrode if I want to do stick welding, which is kind of nice. If I am correct on this, it is a dual voltage, so it is 110. Yeah, there we go. So here is our 220 to 110 adapter. So if a guy wants to do, 110 welding with this, you can. Obviously, you're not going to have the kind of amperage output that a 220 would have, but this would be for our stick welder. Kind of cool. in the field serviceability kind of deal, right? And then here is where the magic happens. So I've got a nice little assortment of different size TIG cups there. Got a long electrode holder. I typically like the shorter electrode holder, but we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at the torch. The kind of nice thing about these Yeswelders is that you can run, and I'll show you in a second here. This is our torch setup here. On the back of the Yeswelder torch, this is our actual turn on and off button. Very traditionally, you'll have a TIG welder that has a foot pedal that you operate. And so you can add a foot pedal to this if you're so inclined to do that. The on-off button works really, really good. I am so excited. Shout out to Yeswelder for the hookup on this. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait to use this thing. So let's see if I... Positive, negative. So I'm assuming what we got going on here is our TIG holder is going to screw into, our TIG torch is going to screw into this one, I think. There we go. Had to line it up right. And then I'm going to have to read the instructions on this one just to be sure, but I'm kind of taking a lucky guess. Oh, there's our on-off button. There we go. Screws in right there. Good to go. So what I think is going to happen here is, depending on whether or not you're using AC or DC, is probably where your polarity comes in here. So if you're doing aluminum, let's just say, you're going to want to have it on the negative. If you want to have it on the stainless steel, you're going to plug it into the positive side. Oh, what a nice little package. What a nice little package. I am so excited. I need to go to the welding store and get some supplies. But yeah, there is our unboxing video. Shout out Yeswelder. This is a fantastic value to get into AC/DC welding. And I can't wait to go buy some tungsten and get a bottle of gas and get welding. So I'm not going to stay too long. This is a very, very what's in the box. And as you guys can see, like I said, we got stick electrode, power adapter, ground cable, polarity, gas tube, and of course, we've got our instruction manual. So, oh, I can't wait. This is a newer torch style than the one I'm used to from the DC welder. I like the way this feels a lot. It's, I don't know, pretty good torch. It seems to be, let's see here. Yeah, this is going to be kind of a slick ticket with the button on there. So, yeah, I'm stoked. Anyway, I am going to hop off live here. Yeah, I am so excited. We're going to be getting some serious business going on here, but yeah, rock and roll. Oh, so exciting. So exciting. So exciting. Limitless Lexi. How you doing? Happy Wednesday. As you can see, we got ourselves a new welder. Can't wait to go grab some tools, get some gas, start welding. Check it out. We'll do another live review soon. Kind of a first look at the welder once I get the gas tank. Once we get it fired up, I'll kind of show you guys how it operates. And yeah, hopefully we can start stacking dimes. So anyway, have yourselves a wonderful afternoon. Great at Customs over and out. I'll catch you next time.